Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Linksys smart Wi-Fi step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your device is connected to the Linksys router. Open a web browser of your choice. In the address bar, type in the default IP address for Linksys routers. This is usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. A login page will appear. In the field labeled username, enter admin. In the field labeled password, also enter admin. If you have changed these credentials, use your custom username and password. Click the Sign In button. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Linksys Smart Wi-Fi dashboard. From here, you can manage your router's settings. If you encounter issues logging in, try resetting your router. To reset, locate the Reset button on the back of the device. Press and hold the Reset button for about 10 seconds. Release the button and wait for the router to reboot. Now, you can repeat the login steps with the default credentials. Ensure you update the username and password for security once logged in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.